Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to deodorize your dishwasher. The first step to deodorizing your dishwasher is cleaning the different parts of your dishwasher either weekly, monthly, or quarterly depending on the frequency of use. These cleaning processes not only remove the existing smell from your appliance, but it also prevents future reoccurrence and maintains the parts for optimal function. Cleaning supplies that you need. 1. Sponge. 2. Mild liquid soap. 3. Warm water. 4. A cup of baking soda. 5. A cup of white vinegar. 6. Bottle brush. 7. Cotton swab. 8. A soft cloth or paper towels. 9. Lemon peels, optional. 10. Essential oils like orange, peppermint, and lavender oils. Optional. How to clean the drain filter. A lot of dishwasher models have a filter that prevents debris and food remains or particles from blocking the drain. After some time, this food remains, or debris accumulates in the filter and starts to decay. As a result, it oozes out an awful smell and is the major cause of foul odors inside the dishwasher. Here's how to clean the drain filter. 1. Remove the lower rack of the appliance so that you can see the filter in the drain. 2. Detach the filter from the machine. 3. Wash the drain filter in the sink with sponge, soap and lukewarm water. 4. When necessary, clean the hard-to-reach areas of the filter using a bottle brush. 5. Check the drain for any food remains and dirt. If there is, remove them and clean the drain with a sponge, soap, and hot water. 6. Replace the filter to the drain. You should be cleaning the filter regularly, at least on a monthly basis. When you do, your dishwasher will be clean and smell fresh. This helps it to work better. How to clean the spray arms. When the spray arms are blocked with food particles or gunk, it reduces the machine's efficiency, which results in poorly washed dishware or kitchenware. This also causes the dishwasher to smell. When you clean it occasionally, it increases the quantity of water that it pumps out over dirty dishes, thereby increasing its cleansing action. Follow these steps to clean the spray arms. 1. Remove the top and bottom spray arms. 2. Hold them individually over your kitchen sink. 3. Use a cotton swab to remove all food debris. 4. Rinse the spray arms after removing food debris stuck inside with water. 5. Make sure the holes are completely clean and clear. 6. Return them to the dishwasher. The silverware basket. This gets easily grimed. A weekly cleaning routine will do. Remove the silverware basket from the appliance. Then remove any stuck on food debris or dirt to prevent mold infestation. Wash it using soap, warm water, and a bottle brush. The door gasket. Food remains that are washed off your dishes can sometimes get stuck onto the sides of the door gasket during a washing cycle. This leaves gunk on it, giving it a grimy look, and can be infested by mold or mildew. Clean the door gasket or seal with lukewarm water, soap, and a soft cloth occasionally. This gives it a sparkling look and fresh smell. The door latch. A few years after consistent use, the door latch can get rusty a little. To get rid of this, do the following. 1. Clean it using steel wool and a stainless steel cleaning agent. 2. Rinse the door latch and dry with a soft or cotton cloth. 3. Coat the door latch with clear nail polish. This serves as a waterproof to prevent future rust. Clean other internal compartments. With constant use, dirt is accumulated inside the dishwasher, including the walls and compartments. A simple cleaning process can help get rid of dirt and all lingering odors inside the appliance. Remove the top and bottom racks and wash them in your kitchen sink with warm water and soap. Rinse when you are done. Then clean the inner areas of the dishwasher with a sponge, warm water, and soap. The best deodorizers are the baking soda and white vinegar. White vinegar is a natural deodorant and it is very safe for cleaning your dishwasher. It removes stubborn stains and dirt from your machine, leaving a sparklingly clean look. Baking soda is also a good deodorizer. It gets rid of the smell from dishwashers. They are relatively cheaper and better options than any other chemical cleaning agent. But you cannot use them at the same time. Follow these steps to clean other parts of your dishwasher. 1. Empty your dishwasher of all dishware. 2. Fill a cup or small bowl with white vinegar and put it on the upper rack of the dishwasher. 3. Run the hottest washing cycle. This will break down the leftover food debris or particles, soap suds, and gunk from the walls and entire interiors of the dishwasher, leaving it sparkling clean. 4. Remove the cup or bowl from the appliance at the end of the cycle. 5. Sprinkle the floor of the dishwasher with a cup of baking soda. 6. Run another cycle at the hottest temperature. This is to ensure that all the baking soda dissolves completely. At the end of this cycle, clean the dishwasher interiors with paper towels. This should leave your dishwasher smelling fresh. How to deodorize the dishwasher with lemon peels. 1. Fill a cup or small bowl with lemon peels. 2. Run a short normal wash cycle. 3. At the end of the cycle, check the filter under the lower rack underneath the dishwasher for lemon peels. They could fall from the lower rack during the washing cycle. You can also add some freshness and aroma to your dishwasher and kitchen by adding a few drops of essential oils to the vinegar. For example, you can use orange, peppermint, or lavender oils for extra effect. Apart from deodorizing your dishwasher, they also contain some antibacterial properties. If after following these steps your dishwasher still smells bad, then something is probably wrong with the drain hose. In this case, you might notice stagnant water below your appliance at the end of each cycle. Do the following. 1. Pull your dishwasher from under the counter if it is a countertop model. If it is not, check the back of the dishwasher where you can see the drain hose clearly. 2. Ensure that the hose is not restricted or bent. This can restrict the flow of water from the appliance, which can lead to water flooding inside it. 3. Remove the drain hose and wipe it thoroughly with a firm wire and thin wet cloth. This may take a long time and may require you to repeat this process using lots of wet cloths to get rid of all the dirt inside the hose. 4. After cleaning the drain hose with the wire and cloth, use mild bleach to dissolve any leftover food inside the hose and run cold water through it. 5. Additionally, you can cut the lemon into tiny bits and run a cycle. This will help to sterilize or deodorize any lingering smell. 6. If you notice that used water from your kitchen flows into your appliance, you can raise the drain hose loop higher than it is. This will prevent water from the kitchen sink flowing into your dishwasher. If you constantly have to purify your dishwasher machine, you might have to invest in an advanced model. There are recent dishwasher models that have self-cleaning filter features. Previously, they used to be in the form of a loud grinder that grinds food particles or debris to fine particles that cannot clog the dishwasher drain. Recently, they have been updated to a fine mesh kept on top of the drain that does not allow the passage of food debris. Water pushes the food particles under pressure through the mesh and dissolves it into small particles that easily flow out to the drainage system. This prevents the accumulation of these food particles in the drainage system over time that can block the drain and cause your dishwasher to smell. The advantage of these models is that it won't cause any additional noise in your home. Did you find this video helpful? Subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so that you'll be the first to see our updates. Also, drop your comment so we'll know your thoughts. Then check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimdishwashers.com for more dishwasher content like this. Thanks for watching.